Hello, my dear students. Today we will discuss how to draw PERT network. As I have already told you, PERT network comprises of events and activities. In a network diagram, arrow represents activities, circle or node represents events, and length of an arrow, it is small or short. It has no significance in PERT network. Each activity, like if it is an activity A, must start and end in a node. It means no activity can be with a start event or end event. For example, as I have drawn, A is an activity which starts with first event, ends with second event. So I can say this is a start event and this is end event. The tail of an activity represents a start and head the completion of the work. And event number 1 denotes the start of a project and is called initial node or event. It is known as initial node or event. Now I will take an example from your book.